Hey guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out TP-Link. This is a Kasa Cam Outdoor, 24/7 recording, 2K HD video, color night vision, IP65 waterproof. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get in the box and then see what all is entailed with installing it. I know for video cameras, you guys like to just jump right to the footage because you want to see how the footage looks. We'll get to that, do not worry. So you download their app. So let's see. It looks like it is powered by a wall outlet. They give you the mounting brackets and everything needed. Looks pretty basic, pretty simple. They give you everything you need. Everything's already set up here. Unthread this piece. And then you can go ahead and you can mount this on the wall. They give you decal. It makes it easy for lining up. So you just put this decal on the wall, drill in, and then you put this right through, line it up. Very nice, very simple. This pops just right back on. Thread that back on. Let's see, in here looks like you got the SD and reset button in here. So you're gonna need a smaller screwdriver to access this panel, which we do have. Peel this piece off. This is the camera itself. All right, we're gonna go ahead and set this up, show you guys what the footage looks like, check out the app, and go from there. So guys, this is what it looks like. We went ahead and put an SD card in here, so we're gonna go ahead and now set it up. So guys, we're downloading the app. It's got a very high rating, so that's a good sign. All right guys, it's actually very simple. Once you download the app, create an account. Now we're gonna go ahead and add this device. Gonna select the device, and now you can add, so they got doorbells, they got cameras, smart plugs, smart lights, smart switches, smart routers, range extenders, and sensors. Wow, that's a lot of devices. Go under the camera, and we're gonna now select the camera. So to know the model, let's see here. Let's find you guys the model so you can make it easy for you. All right guys, so this is the Kasa Cam Outdoor. Go ahead and select that, and now we're gonna power it in. All right guys, so we now got it on, as you guys can see. So we're gonna go set it up. And here, let's turn this off. All right, we're gonna show you guys the video quality of it and have it set up. So see you guys in a bit.